Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E400 4Matic Cabriolet. It's got the 3-liter BiTurbo V6, the 9G Distronic automatic, and is painted in Selenite gray metallic on black. All right, we'll start here at the back. So we got the trunk lid open, and you can see we have a nice spacious trunk. It's all carpeted. I'll lift this up here so you can see we have that down there. And the black convertible top is underneath there. We'll close the trunk lid and we'll zoom out so you can see the black interior. And you can see the convertible top is hidden underneath. Got the beautiful gray paint, LED taillights, E400. You got your Mercedes badge, the 4Matic. And then we have the trunk release just under there. So we'll step back here. You can see the nice stainless pieces underneath, and we have the exhaust incorporated in the diffuser, so dual exhaust on each side. We'll make our way to the wheels next. So we got these 5 open spoke aluminum wheels with the dark gray pockets. It's got Continental tires all the way around. The rear tire size is a 245/40 R19. We got the 4-wheel disc brakes with red calipers. All right, we'll show you the front wheel next. So you can see the brakes are larger in the front. It's got the cross-drilled rotors. And front tire size is, it's the same, a 245/40 R19. All right, we'll check out the interior next. So we got the passenger door side here, the black. You can see that nice beautiful stitching here, and you got that nice dark wood finish. We have the Burmester sound system. We have your seat functions here, so you have circulation, so your ventilation and your heated seats. You have your power seats and your memory package even for the passenger. Power locks, windows, your door release, and I'll show you the armrest there. Check out the dash. Nice and clean. You can see that huge screen in the center. We got the really cool vents that are illuminated and all that wood finish that goes across the whole dash. Open up the box here. We got the books in there. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Mercedes-Benz kick plate. Let's check out the seat here. The rear, so you can see the nice black leather seat here. The headrests, and it's got the cup holders in the center. It is the power seats, and it has AIRSCARF as well. We have our all-weather floor liners. We've got a cargo net, and I'll show you the seat here so you can see the leather's in fantastic condition. And there's your AIRSCARF and the headrest. It has the power seat belts as well. Close the power seat belt extenders, I should say. And then we have our trunk lid. We'll walk down here so you can see profile the car this way. There's your seats. Body colored mirrors, signals built in. It's got 360 camera as well. The stainless door handles, and they got the nice silver finish around the top portion there. Here's our wheels from this angle, and we'll take a walk down the car here. Actually, we'll stop right here. I'll get a good angle, a wave. You can see the paint is like a mirror finish. You can see the beautiful metallic in the paint. We'll make our way to the front. LED headlights. Got that beautiful Mercedes grille. And check out underneath the hood. So we got the hood liner. Here's our power plant. It's the 3-liter BiTurbo V6 engine. It makes 329 horsepower paired to a 9G Distronic automatic 9-speed transmission. All right, we'll close up this hood and we'll check out the paint. So you can see the paint is just gorgeous. It just came out of polish by our team. So they did a 5-stage polish on this car, as we do to all cars. You can see how well this one turned out. I mean, it was a great car to start with, but we just took it to the next level. All right, back to our interior. So we got blind spot monitor in the mirror. Here's our Burmester sound system. Again, same as the other side. So you got heated and ventilated seats, memory package, all your power seat functions, power locks, power folding mirrors, windows, and you got your trunk release down there. Here's our dash on this side. All right, I'll show you the door jambs. Mercedes-Benz kick plate. We got the pedals down there, all weather floor liners. And we'll do a quick scan of the seat here. You can see it's in great condition. Let's just fold this here. I'll show you the rear seat on this side. And we also have the liners down there as well. All right, we're gonna jump in the car. All right, got these beautiful, comfortable seats. Again, those circular vents. Here's our lane keep assist there, headlight controls, and we have your electronic parking brake. On the steering column down here, we have your Distronic cruise control, so adaptive cruise control. We have your signals with your washers built in, and then we have your paddle shifters tucked in here, so upshift, downshift, and then we have your buttons on your steering wheel, both sides, Bluetooth, and your automatic shifter control. All right, we'll start it up. It's a push button start. All right, we'll zoom out. Check out this wheel, black leather wheel, feels beautiful. We got the contours here with the perforated leather on the side. So you see a 3-spoke design, Mercedes badge in the center, coming into the gauge cluster, fully digital. As you can see, mileage only 33,732 kilometers. All right, up in the visor, we got it tucked away nicely here. And then we have your overhead lights. Here's your rear view mirror. And then we come down here, we got this beautiful large touchscreen. Of course, you can see we have navigation. Let's just come back out here. We'll check out the different controls. We'll go home. There we go. So you got radio controls, media, your phone controls. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Let's go to the vehicle so we can check out some of that stuff. So seats, we have your massaging seats, lumbar, side bolsters. So that's for your front seats. Then we have your dynamic select. And we'll just go into here so you can see your drive, suspension, and steering. So there's different drive modes. You can see there's your different drive modes. Let's come back out again. You got your assistance. You can see about all that features here. And just scroll down here. All right, back out again, and we'll check out, it has 360 camera as well. Let's throw it in drive here. Oh, there's your reverse. There's your reverse camera. There's your 360 camera. And then there's the front of the car there. All right, coming down here, you got the nice 4 pods of ventilation. And then here's all your climate controls. And we have some more buttons here with your quartz clock. We'll open that up. We got a cup holder there, a 12-volt socket. Here's the extra controls for your touchscreen. That's how I was using it without the touchscreen. And then down here we have your console. It splits into 2, and then we have your convertible top features. Let's open up the door here. Got the headlights on, and we'll give it a few revs. I can hear those twin turbos. All right, let's get the top up. So it's a push of a button here. It's all power. Watch it come up, and here comes the top. You can see it's all lined underneath. It's got the full glass window with a defogger. And it shows you what it's doing on the dash here as the motion is complete. And we got the windows up as well. And we'll jump out, show you the front of the car with the lights on. Oh. There it is there with the bright lights on, and we got that full view, everything closed up, the top on, so you can see the black top now. I'll show you the LED tail lights and listen to exhaust at idle. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E400 4Matic Cabriolet with the 3-liter BiTurbo V6, the 9G Distronic Auto, and Selenite gray metallic on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.